Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will try to explain how to install Laravel in Windows and Mac operating system. Install Laravel in Windows and Mac operating system, we need to install XAMPP, Composer, then Laravel. So right now, we will start from the XAMPP. So let's start. Open your browser here. Just write here XAMPP. Open your first link. Click on download for Windows. Click here to download, and now click here download. So you have to follow the same step that I already mentioned in the last video. If you want to know how to install, download XAMPP, so I will give the link in the description. In the next step, we have to download, install Composer. Let's start. Open your browser again. Open your Google, just write here get Composer. Open your first link. Click on download and Composer setup.exe. Download and run. Click on download. Now open your download folder and you can see that Composer setup. Just click on install setup. Install for all user. Developer mode, click on developer mode and next. And now you can see that I will show you that our XAMPP, we already installed our XAMPP in local drive C. XAMPP is here. So we will install our Composer in htdoc. Okay. So we will select the location C, XAMPP, and then here is a htdoc, right? And okay, you can see now XAMPP htdoc. Next, done. Next, install. You can see that our Composer is already installed. In the next step, now we will create Laravel project, right? So again, open your browser. Just write here Laravel. Now you can see that open your, now just click on installation. You can see that here you have your first Laravel project. Click on it. Now you have to run this command to create Laravel project. Okay, so first of all you have to open your CMD. Okay, open your CMD. Now you can see that we already installed our XAMPP in drive C, XAMPP and htdoc. So we will create our Laravel project inside htdoc. Okay, so just we have to change our directory, right? cd XAMPP, right? Then cd htdoc. Now we will copy this command and we will paste here. You can see that this is a Composer create project Laravel example app. This is our project name, but I will write here my project name is first project, right? Fine, and I will click on enter, right? You can see that our Laravel project is in progress. It will take maybe 2-3 minutes to complete, to install all the files. Okay, let's wait for a while. So now you can see that our Laravel project is already installed or created. So in next step, you can see that I will show you that in XAMPP, local C, XAMPP and htdoc, you can see our project is already created. Now we have to change the directory and we will just write here cd. Our project name is first project, enter, right? Now we are inside our first project. Okay, and the next command will be php artisan. Okay, first of all we have to run our XAMPP server, right? Open your XAMPP, just write here start, click on start. Okay, and now just write here PHP artisan serve and enter. You can see that our Laravel first project is running. Just copy the local host, this URL, right? And just copy this URL and paste here, right? And enter. You can see that our Laravel is installed successfully. So if you want to create your Laravel project, you have to install XAMPP, Composer, and then Laravel. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.